We finally got the golden Dieback environmental log. I honestly was at the point where I didn't even think this existed. I couldn't find anything online talking about this stupid log. But I had nothing better to do, so I figured I'd keep trying. And it turns out it does exist. So this is me and Cody actually getting the log. And then proceeding to completely break the game. Come on, ready up, ready up, ready up, ready up, ready up!
My precious time is being wasted.
I hate this fucking map. I should have taken the void off. Whoa. A TC 280.
Oh, that's good. That's good, right?
Sure. The air smells of sweet strawberries. What the fuck does that mean?
God damn it.
What happened to you?
Fucking slimes followed me.
Nice try.
Uh,
I don't even have missiles.
yeah, and I picked up, or I fucking chose a pocket ICBM and I didn't even get it. Get away from there.
You can't have it.
You can't have it.
Where is it? Oh.
You're a bitch. You already had a pocket. Fuck you. Why the fuck do you keep switching?
So that I can shoot this faster? This is me not switching. This is me switching.
Why don't you just get the fucking fully automatic one?
Because this does way more damage.
Yeah, but that one, at the very least, you can just fucking hold down the trigger, and on top of that, you can just, I don't know, get fucking,
Yeah, and this is like a sniper, too. Like, it doesn't have a limit to the range.
Why not just pick up fucking soldier syringes?
How about I just do what I'm doing? What's wrong?
There's a lot wrong.
Leave me alone. No! I gave him my equipment. Well.
I'm back, baby.
Oh, I didn't know that revived. Sweet.
And me with my single missiles.
Damn, if only you could have got that ICBM.
Yeah, man.
Oh, this must be a new one. Damn.
What?
That's kind of... It's like a gold one. I turned into a goldie.
Oh.
And
Give it back.
I can put something on the ground. Look.
Okay.
Does that hurt you? Nope.
I don't know.
That's so cool. Wow, how useful. What happens if I give the equipment this? Equipment drone.
I don't know.
He does. He turns into a goldie.
Oh, cool.
Holy shit, that's stupid.
Does he even use it?
I don't know. He's just floating around, doing nothing.
Being gold.
Does this personal shield add to the transcendence?
Yeah.
So you can get more with transcendence and the shield.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's what I've been doing.
Yeah, it didn't spawn. Oh wow. I'll get them next time.
What the fuck?
Oh hey, a log. Do you have this one?
I don't know.
Actually, who cares? Just grab it anyway.
Yeah, we have the money.
I think the luck is starting now.
Finally.
Yeah, I don't see anything. Oh, black holes. Ah! I ran into one. I'm back, baby.
I was gonna say, you don't have a Dio?
I did. I need another one, though.
I have like 3.
I think that the fucking ghost jailer got me. I'm
Yeah,
not
do be
even
like
joking. I think he threw a black hole at me. He's on my team. Holy
My fucking
shit!
God.
It is them.
Holy shit, should I just hit the teleporter?
I already did. I want
okay.
out. God damn it again. Still not here.
Alright, another loop. Dune Striders.
Oh great, now they're gonna siphon my health.
Let them, they need it.
Nothing, nothing, nothing. Yep, there it is. Yep.
Oh my god!
There it is. Take my fucking health.
How is your fucking TC-280 still alive?
I just noticed that. I don't know. Man, I'm about to become a bird or something.
I'm losing my fucking mind. We press forward.
If that... Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh! Just let me hit the portal. Jesus. I can't fucking see. Where am I? Oh my god, it exists. Holy shit.
Let's fucking go!
I still need the, yeah, well, we still need the fucking other one. That's on the first stage.
Yay!
Whatever, that's fucking... At least this one's done. I don't have to come here ever again. Fuck this place. I took your shit. Haha.
Okay, I'm taking both these reds.
What the fuck?
Ha
Bullshit.
Give it back! I'm reporting you.
There's another red that dropped randomly. Hell yeah. The fuck are the boxes? I need more reds.
I found one.
I think I see the other one. I do. A red!
Yes!
The luck is finally here. Oh, is there a gold thing? I don't know if we need a gold thing. No, we need the next one. God damn it.
You just like not know what you're doing.
Shut
like,
up, bitch.
times.
Fuck you. Clean toilets for a living. Get the fuck out of here.
You clean toilets for a living. Shut the fuck up.
There's the lockbox, baby. 3 fucking reds from a lockbox. The chance is here. Or the luck is here. Whatever.
Hell yeah, baby.
Give me another star, bitch.
Why? How many do you have?
49.
Stars?
50. Yes.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I'm just picking shit up. Not like there's not plenty of loot here. My game!
No! Oh my god. I shifted it already, so don't fucking do it.
What do you mean you shifted it already?
I fucking changed it so that way we loop back.
Who gave you permission to do such a thing?
Why is it all blues?
I don't know. I'm not grabbing those damn Lego bricks this time.
What the fuck are you
It's
doing?
just luck then.
Luck, eh? You call this luck?
Very, very lucky. I'm gonna grab more of these yellows that break the game. What does this one do? Fire tracking wisps while sprinting. I can barely see. Where am I?
I'm being bounced into the air and I don't know what's doing it.
No!
What? Oh, oh.
Oh! At least it wasn't. At least that wasn't a horrendous one. It's just using a shrine summons enemies.
Okay, thank God. I missed.
I didn't even want the fucking item. I was just there because I didn't know you were there. I picked up that.
I was looking around and I misclicked. I was like, God damn it! And I see you. Just take the fuck. That's it. I'm gonna be a bird.
Oh my God! There's so many black holes.
Why'd you put emphasis on that word?
Hole?
5 greens? I hate this game.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh my!
Oh!
Oh! What the hell is going on?
I don't know.
Oh great, they're all ghosts now. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh my God, why is this on? Turn that shit off. I can't see.
It's fine. It's fine. Oh God! Thank God they're all jailers.
Oh!
I see what you're doing. Try to stop trying to be a bird. I think we're fine.
Really? I don't see that. Wow. Oh my God, another red. Let me
It's
live.
not worth it. Stay in the circle.
The circle? I was up top hiding.
Oh.
Okay, now
Aw, my watches.
now I can risk it. Do I have another life? Oh my God,
Nope.
I can't
Nope,
tell.
nope,
if
nope.
I can't tell
Oh.
if it's gonna hit me. Oh, oh, that's gonna hit me. Leave.
I fucking spawned in a black hole.
It's at 80. We're so close. There.
Just get in and stay in. It doesn't matter. None of this matters.
Get me out of here.
Hey, I can't pick up anything because I think my game's just busted.
There's too much shit on the ground. Nice. 69 clovers. Oh, damn it, I bought it when I... Well,
Oh my...
what is that noise? Why?
That's your fucking war bonds.
Ooh, do, 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 do.
Do it, 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 do it. Did you already buy the legendary chest?
Maybe.
Huh.
And I took your thing. What the heck is this void thing again?
What void thing?
Periodically recruit allies from the void, corrupts all yellow items. Oh.
Oh.
No, it took my yellow items.
No. Congrats, now we have more void allies. Thanks.
Oh, we actually got the map. Nice.
Cool. Oh, fucking cunt.
God damn it.
I fucking changed something in my back.
The void people spawned inside there.
I thought you hit the wrong thing or something. I was worried.
No, they just spawned in there. Not from the damn ground.
Oh, okay.
Large chest. That costs a little bit.
We'll never make that.
Look at how many things I recruited.
Oh, so I can't have a couple ghosts, but you can have all these void reavers and shit. Fuck you.
And no enemies are spawning. That might be... I don't even see the log. Hold on.
I'm gonna find a shrine of combat or something.
I don't think the log spawns. Why don't you open up your shipping thing? Fine, I'll open it.
No, you won't. I don't even know where it is.
I took it.
This is the worst day of my life.
I have 80 clovers now. Don't hit the portal. Hit the blue one.
Is that a red over there?
I don't know, you're not going to get it if it is.
Ah, the frames!
I have 3, 2.
We can't teleport because we're making money still.
1 frame.
You fucking idiot! Why'd you hit the teleport?
How is this my fault?
Why didn't you wait for the enemies to leave?
Fuck that.
How do we have 30 million?
30? I have like 3.
I'm down to the 100,000.
Okay, it's fixed. I have nothing.
Okay, good. I was still having some money.
The hell are they doing here? Go away. Oh god, more spawn. I'm just
And
leaving.
a squid turret. More are coming. Oh my god.
Yeah, I got out of there. I'm not dealing with that. Yes! Now give me that log, baby. Come on, I have
it's
80.
actually promising.
I have 81 clovers. You better.
2 boxes. There's something over. That's just a fucking shipping container. That's just a scavenger. Yeah, it's a scavenger.
Holy shit, 2 reds.
Oh, I don't think we got it. Yay, we got the stage!
No, we didn't. There is a log, though.
Ooh.
Holy shit, there's 2 logs.
What?
What the fuck?
So we can get 2 logs here, but not 1 on the map we need.
Oh shit, we actually got it.
Oh, cool. You didn't.
What is this? Wait, it's shattered. Oh, so... Oh, this is the right one, but it's a...
Different variant.
It's the, like, original variant. God damn it, I didn't even know you could do that.
Yeah, apparently you can.
Yippee. Why does he have negative health? You see what I mean by breaking?
He's dead.
He's not dead.
Yes, he is.
Not for me.
Well, I mean, yeah, he's, like, still alive, but...
Oh,
like,
I died.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, look at how much health he has.
Yeah, I'm not even doing all that much damage to him, apparently.
Are
you dead, or...?
No, I had a Dio.
Okay, good.
I'm confused as to why this... Okay, he's
Oh,
dead
now he's dead. And I have a ghost. Cool. Grab a Dio.
Really?
Scumbag. Degenerate. Oh, I'm okay.
What is happening?
I got knocked away.
So did I. I don't know what's happening. I'm stuck at like 2 frames. My money keeps going up and then it keeps going down. Oh, is it fixing itself?
I managed to inch myself to the teleporter.
I'm in! Oh,
Oh god!
I can't see!
I'm back, bitch!
Oh, my radar, turn it off!
Ah,
I can't see!
this is fucking hell. Get us out of
I
here.
can't!
I can't. I ran away.
I'm stuck at 1 frame. There's just a bunch of shit on my screen. I think my game crashed.
No, it didn't.
Oh! I have no idea what's going on.
Well, I bought something from a shipping container, so that probably didn't help.
I...
Give it a minute. Hold.
Literally a minute. A whole minute.
We're almost there.
Yeah, almost to 2 frames.
There we go. I really wish I was recording.
I'm recording mine. I see a bunch of numbers and blobs and boomerangs and missiles.
I know it's breaking the game. I literally only see items.
How has this game not crashed?
Because it's a trooper.
Okay, I give up. Oh, now I have to find a way to get to the quit. Come on, go down. Down, 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 down. Please.
You're not allowed to quit, motherfucker.
Please. Are you sure? Yes.
I'm there at the teleporter. Don't quit. Don't quit.
You took too long.
No.
Yes. It ended.
Damn it!
Christ.
I was gonna save the game.
I swear to God, if my log is in here. Oh, where is it? Oh, okay. Thank God.
Was it worth it?
Sure.